Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine and enjoying our online sessions, keeping yourself quarantined and safe from corona. So now let's quickly start with our today's session.
In this session, we are going to start with lesson number 2, Wind Chime, written by Amy Vanderwater. Now she is Amy. Amy is an award-winning children's poet, author and a teacher. Her first book was Forest Has a Song. It was a book with collection of different poems written by her. Okay children, before we start with the reading of the poem, let's understand what wind chime means. Wind chime is a pretty piece of glass, shell or metal that one hangs near a door or a window so that it makes a tinkling sound when the wind blows. I've collected some pictures for you all to understand it well. Wind chime made using glass. Lovely, isn't it children? Wind chime made using shell. Beautiful. Now the next is wind chime made using metal. Beautiful. Wind chimes are also known to bring in positive energy at home. They bring good luck. It is said that these bells bring peace and good health for us. In the poem Wind Chime, two girls turned an old blue bottle from a junkyard into a beautiful wind chime. Lovely craft work, isn't it children? Now let's see some pics of wind chimes made from glass bottles. Lovely, isn't it? We can use our creativity to convert waste materials into beautiful things. Isn't it children? Okay, now let's start with the reading of the poem. Read this poem about two girls and how they turned an old bottle into a wind chime. Okay, now can you all tell me there are how many characters in the poem? Come on, guess. Yes, very good. There are two characters, two girls and a bottle. Isn't it children? Am I right? Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, now let's come back to the poem. It's such a pretty bottle, said one girl to the other. She held it up to summer sky as if she had found a shell. Now what do we mean by summer sky? Let's understand. The first thing we can understand is it was summer season going on. These two girls who are best friends are out in summer morning roaming around here and there during their summer break in the school. Isn't it children? So it means that girl holded the bottle up in the sky, and as it was summer season, so it is said summer sky. Now writing summer sky together in the poem creates an effect of sound and rhythm in the poem. We have learned that rhyming words are used to create a rhythm, isn't it, children? Okay, now let's read the lines again. She held it up to summer sky as if she had found a shell. She was so happy with that old bottle as if she had found a shell. I hope you all have understood first 4 lines of the poem well. Now let's read ahead. They were walking through the dump again. Now, what do we mean by the word dump? Let's check the meaning. Dump means a place for putting rubbish or waste. In other words, you can say a place where garbage is deposited, means collected. Okay, children, can you guess one thing? Where did they find bottle from? Yes, they found it from the garbage. Isn't it, children? And now, to find something more, they are walking through the dump again. I hope you all have understood the poem well till here. Now let's read ahead. Stepping over bicycles, broken bricks and dinner plates. Stepping over means moving ahead, walking over old bicycles, broken bricks and dinner plates. Don't you all think so? You all also do these things when Mama is cleaning house for Diwali. You all enjoy doing this, isn't it, children? Yes, I know. Okay, now let's read ahead. Now let's read the last line. This junk they knew so well. Now let's check the meaning of the word junk. Junk means an old article that is not used anymore. You can say useless things. That means they knew all those useless things lying in the dump so well. Okay, children. So we end our today's session over here. Now what did they do with that bottle which they found from the junkyard? We will discuss in the next session. But before we end, I have a task for you all. Please complete the given task. Imagine you have an empty bottle lying in the house. What are the things that you can do with that bottle? Make a list of the things you can make with it. Okay, children, I hope you all will enjoy doing this. Meet you all in the next session. Till then, bye everyone.